Hello everyone, Quant has launched a new sectoral fund. Let's look for some details. Name of the fund is Quant Manufacturing Fund, companies engaged in manufacturing business. The new fund offer, NFO, is available for subscription from July 26, 2023, and the issue will remain open till August 8. Minimum investment is of 1000 rupees. It is an open-ended scheme with two options, growth and dividend, with no entry or exit load charges. Benchmark of the scheme is Nifty India Manufacturing Total Return Index. The primary objective of the scheme is to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related instruments of companies that follow the manufacturing theme. This fund is for the investors having high risk-taking capacity. The scheme will be managed by Sandeep Tandon, Ankit Pandey, Sanjeev Sharma, and Vasav Sehgal. Remember that Quant Manufacturing Fund is a thematic fund. Keep in mind that thematic funds are subject to sector-specific risks. Economic downturns, changes in government policies, or technological disruptions can affect the manufacturing industry, impacting the fund's performance. If you already have adequately invested in diversified equity funds and want to take any exposure, you may consider investing in a sector fund. Thanks for watching the video.